So we've had an issue with our folding hollow core doors not fitting in closet openings, or we just had our laundry room moved and it didn't fit there. So basically we were going to be cutting about 2 inches off the bottom, which we did. And the issue with that is that the support for the hardware is only about 1 inch thick, if you look at that. So if you try to trim even just like a 1/2 inch off of these, off the bottom, even a 1/2 inch compromises this entirely. And you end up having hardware that pops through the bottom, which is extremely frustrating, and you've just kind of wasted your door. So this is what you do. You cut off how much you're going to have to in its entirety. Don't do it incrementally. If you're gonna cut 2 inches, then cut 2 inches. And then you pull off the fascia and the side supports. And if you really, really want to be thorough, like I'm not strong enough to do that on my own, so I use a wood chisel to get between it, and at that point...
You might not be strong enough, I might not be either.
You're on your second one here, so you're probably
No,
tired. But anyway, so you get this exposed, okay? You want to make sure that you have the hole on the right side, and then what you're going to do is, let me pause this. Alright, so you want to put the holes opposite the hinges, obviously. It needs to swing on the opposite side of the hinge. So basically, we're going to fit this back in. You can see how that fits perfectly. It's drilled exactly where it should be. We're going to have wood glue all slathered all on here. Be liberal, like a baby out in the sun. You don't want this thing to come loose. And then what we're going to do is we're going to clamp it and leave it for 24 hours. Now after you have glued it, fitted it, and clamped it, and it's done drying, then you should be able to just pop this right into your closet opening or wherever, and it's going to be nice and solid, and you're not going to have the issue of the support being too thin and popping up into the door. So I hope this helps.